Hey guys, this is Tim. I just received this honing guide from the manufacturer to do a review. It provides the perfect angle for sharpening your wood chisels. So let's open it up, look at its features, give it a try. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, this is Ezark's honing guide for chisels and planes. It's a jig that will hold wood chisels from 1/4 inch to 2.5 inches and planes from 1/4 inch to 3 7/8 of an inch. You have adjustable screw here that you can adjust the width. You have a smooth roller here for a smooth glide against the sharpening stone. This has bearings inside. And then you have these two metal guides here that as you tighten or loosen the tension screw, it will keep this in perfect alignment. So this is a 2-inch wood chisel. So I'm gonna open this width up to slide the wood chisel in on the slots here. I'm just gonna tighten it up just a little bit. So it's important that we get the right angle here for sharpening. And there's a couple of ways we can go about this. This is a 2-inch wide wood cutter, so we can measure 2 inches from the guide to the end, on each end, tighten it up. It should be at the right angle to sharpen. Let's take a close look at it. So you can kind of see the angle is flat up against the surface there. Another way you can do it is just kind of adjust it, let it kind of flow naturally there, pretty close. And then you can tighten it up and check the angle. So I think it's best to measure out 2 inches from the end of the guide to the end of the chisel, and then tighten the guide down. And you can tighten it up more using a flat screwdriver. So this roller here will allow it to glide across the surface of the sharpening tool to sharpen it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to place the sharpening stone between these rubber pads on my vise to hold it in place and keep it stable. Then I can glide this across the stone easier. Okay, it's done a good job at sharpening the wood chisel at the right angle. So this is the perfect jig for holding and sharpening your wood chisels at the correct angle. So I highly recommend this Ezark Honing guide.